You know, as artists and creators, we're expected to come up against the norms, to come up against what is generally accepted in society, and to be those forward thinkers and to come up with new ideas, right? The problem is that society generally does not like new ideas. Society normally rejects the new, then receives it. Or they'll take a long time to receive it. Case in point, when Picasso came out with Cubism, it was generally rejected. People hated it. People thought that the paintings that he painted were monstrosities, right? Vincent van Gogh, he decided to paint in a new style, and he only sold 2 paintings in his lifetime. But if you talk about him now, he's a genius. And we can go on and on. Walt Disney was fired. His publisher said that he lacked creativity. George Lucas, Star Wars was generally rejected, but it was a success. So when you are on the cutting edge and you come up with something new, something that nobody has done before, something that nobody has seen, you can generally expect that it's not going to be received by the general public. Generally, you're going to be rejected. That's the oxymoron of being an artist, because as an artist, we're expected to be forward thinkers. We're expected to come up with new ideas. We're expected to be on the cutting edge, but when we do these things, it's generally rejected. What I'm saying is this: if you're an artist or creator, and it doesn't matter what discipline that you fall under, if you're doing something new, keep doing it. If you're doing something or saying something, writing something, or expressing something that nobody is thinking about or talking about, or nobody wants to touch, do it. If you are an artist or creator that you may be touching on a touchy subject or a controversial subject, keep going. Because you may be rejected in the beginning, but down the line, people are going to say, that person was a genius, that person was right, or that person was on the cutting edge. And you'll be celebrated. You may not be celebrated at first, and you may not even be celebrated in your lifetime, but you will be celebrated. Case in point, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He was hated, but now you got Republicans quoting him, right? So, as an artist and as a creator, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and do something, say something, write something, draw something, paint something that has never been done before. If you got that vision, you got that vision for a reason. And I want to encourage you to flow in it, to go for it. Even if you know you're going to be rejected. And that's what hurts, because a lot of times you know that you got something new. You know you got something that nobody has done before or seen before. And when you put it out there, it falls flat. That's usually what happens with the innovation. Nobody believed that the Wright brothers could build a plane, and a plane that could fly, or a machine that could fly. Nobody believed them, but they did it, right? And that's what I'm talking about. They thought Henry Ford was crazy. These are the ideas, innovations that you get from your spiritual mind, and to transfer it into the natural can be sometimes painful. It could be hard work, but I want to encourage you. Go for it. Don't allow what society says or the crowd says or what your audience says or whoever dictate your vision. If you have a vision, then go for it. If you have something to say, then say it. If you're touching on something that nobody wants to talk about or is controversial and it's burning in your heart to do or to say or to write or to express, then do it. Because in doing so, you're going to change somebody's life. You're going to make this world a better place. And you're going to usher in change. I hope this video helped somebody. I hope I've encouraged you to go forth in your vision. Don't be afraid. Don't hold back. Walk in what you believe and speak the truth. Because speaking the truth is going to set somebody free. I hope this video helped somebody. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Yahweh bless. And I will talk to you all again soon.